If he's not taking care of you, I'll do it right after this break. All right, Daryl. Let me know. Daryl, you have my number, right? Hold on. Daryl, I just texted you. Okay, it's Daryl. Text me what you want. Tell me which teams you want. I'll do it for you. Okay? I just texted you. We're full on another edition of Honors. This is PYT number 2. Troy Boy, a.k.a. Odyssey Breaks, killed the second one. I guess he's mad at me right now. I love you, Troy. But here we go. This is number 2. I'm just so excited to be opening this. Here we go. Daryl, I got you. Just text me what you want. What's up, Pikachu? All right. Oh, man, this is going to be a fun day. This is going to be a stupid fun day. Troy, I'm just going to text you Troy, I'm taking off money off the top, obviously, but I'm just texting you the actual total. So, Troy, I'm texting you after your discount. All right, here we go. Folks, let's do it. We have a rookie. Jordan Love for the Packers. What's the numbering? It's numbered to 70. It's 11 to 70. 17 to 70. All right, I'm going to tell you right now that the reason why the Packers are higher than they usually are, Aaron Rodgers has more autos in this product, I think, than anyone in the whole run. The Packers might be the best buy, okay? With Love, you're getting Favre. You're getting more Rodgers than anyone. I believe they got Aaron Jones. They obviously have other guys. We have a James Robinson for the Jags. If you guys remember, this guy went off about a month and a half ago. That's number 5 for the Jags. This next card has peaked up since the last week. This card's stock has risen. Again, what did I tell you? It's all the top products that Honors is. Our first one is out of Encased. We have an auto number 2 out of LSU. How about Leonard Fournette? How good did he look on Sunday? Leonard Fournette to 2 for the Jags. Finest. That is sick. Look at the signature. I'll bring the game. You name the place. I don't plan on losing. Leonard Fournette. I love the attitude. I'm just going to say the word value over and over and over. Because it just continues. This is the product that gives and gives and gives. This is the first box. This is just the first box. Just a Tua. This is, by the way, I'm not even getting excited anymore. This is standard. This is JPK, whoever you are, welcome to Blez. I don't know how you found us. You are crushing life right now. You are crushing life. I mean, what the hell? 2 out of 49 for the fish. That's one box. Manu, I'm doing it on purpose. Leonard Fournette. We continue. I'm nervous. Oh. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna This is insane. This is insane. This is insane. Who has this team? All right, let me see the other box. This is so ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. Box 2. This is honestly absolutely ridiculous. You guys have no idea. To a base to 70. Again, I mixed up the boxes, guys. I completely mixed them all up. I have a bunch of cases here, and I just mixed it up. How about another Jordan Love for the Packers and Duncan? The Jordan Love is to 20. How are you, Manu? Honestly, guys, I'm not kidding you. This is legitimately my favorite thing in the world to do, is open this stuff. Like, literally. This is my favorite thing on the planet to do. Daryl, I'll check after the break. Here's the auto. We have another 1 of 1. Michael Bennett for the Eagles. Spectra to 1. Michael Bennett for the Eagles to 1. For Riffle. Nice hit, Riffle. You got a 1 of 1, my man. We continue. Out of Clemson to 5. It's Watson. Watson to 5 for the Texans. Chad Salisbury. 3 of 5. You just wait. Guys, just wait. This is insane. And by the way, Troy, I love you, Troy, but you're going to have to look away in a minute. Troy, you're going to have to look away. And I'm sorry, because I'm about to show a card, Troy. You're going to lose your mind. By the way, I'll already make the statement. The last card I'm about to show, Troy Boy is a buyer. That's all I'm going to say. Troy's a buyer. Trevon Diggs for the Cowboys to 70. This is insane. This isn't real. The Chiefs should be gone and everything. We have a cracked ice of Mahomes. Cracked ice of Mahomes. JPK, are you kidding me? Six of 15 on the Mahomes. This is insane. It's going to get a lot better. We have an autograph. We have a gold auto out of LSU. Defensive stud, Patrick Queen. And it's numbered to 2. Guys, I'm telling you, they made none of this. These cards are numbered so low. I got to see if this is a rookie year card. Because if this is a rookie year card, this is massive. I'm going to freak out right now. Let me see what year it is on this card. It is. It is indeed a rookie year card. Folks, this is the definition. Troy, look away. Troy, please look away. I love you to death, Troy, but please do not look at what this card is. Folks, let's play a little theme music. Do-do-doo, do-do-doo. Do-do-doo, do-do-doo. Do-do-doo, do-do-doo. Folks, this card is out of impeccable. Okay? 2017 impeccable! We have an RPA to 1 of Watson! Watson to 1! This is a rookie year card! This is 2017 impeccable! Watson to 1! I can't believe my eyes! I can't believe my eyes! This is a $29 team! Chad Salisbury! Watson to 1! I can't believe it. Folks, attack. Just attack. I'm telling you right now, This is what you're going to be seeing all day long. I mean, it's insane. It's literally insane. Watson hand number to 1. I mean, I can't believe it. I honestly can't believe it. I really can't believe it. Guys, give me a minute.